In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a members area in Wix. Whether you're looking to build a community around your website or create an exclusive members-only section to offer specialized content and features, Wix provides a simple and effective way to do this. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. You'll want to log into your Wix account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to Wix's website builder to get started. Simply click on the Select Site button. If you've got several sites in your account, ensure you select the one where you want the members area added. Once selected, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of the chosen site. Look for the Design Site option. Here's where the magic happens. You'll now enter the Wix website editor, which provides a robust set of tools and features for you to bring your site to life. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's focus on adding the members area to your site. In the editor, you'll come across an Add Apps button. This section allows you to enhance your website with additional features and functionalities. Click into the search box and type Members Area. You'll see options for integrating a members area into your site. Click on it, choosing Wix Members Area from the list. From here, select Add to Site, and Wix will automatically integrate a members area into your website. This feature includes various pages and settings that allow you to manage your members effectively. Now that the members area is part of your site, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. Begin by heading to the My Account page within the members area. Here you can edit the look and feel to align with your website's branding. Wix gives you the flexibility to not only manage visual aspects, but also adjust what members can view and interact with. Once you're satisfied with your members area setup, the last step is to make everything live. Navigate to the top right side of the editor, where you'll find the Publish button. Clicking this will make your site updates available to the public, allowing your users to engage with the new members area. And there you have it. A members area successfully integrated into your Wix site. Remember, a well-configured members area can significantly enhance user engagement by offering special access or content. So be sure to continuously update and interact with your members for an optimal community experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips about building your ideal website.